Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. I'm very excited about today's video क्योंकि आज के वीडियो में once again I am going to show you an Amazon haul, but it is not a clothing haul. It is more about some utility items. तो let's check it out. काफ़ी सारे items है. I'm sure उसमें से you will be finding many of them useful. So let's just check them out. और क्योंकि अभी Amazon sale is going on, which is going to be over on 6 June. So I really thought of shooting this video in a hurry कि आप वो sale avail कर सको. Nevertheless, अगर ये sale over भी हो जाता है, sales keep coming all the time. So without further ado, let's check the items. तो सबसे पहला आइटम है दीज वॉश बैग्स. ये दीज वॉश बैग्स आर फ्रॉम ब्रांड कॉल्ड फ्लिंगो. दिस इज़ अ सेट ऑफ 3. तो इसमें 3 अलग अलग साइजेस है. दिस इज़ द बिगेस्ट साइज एंड इसके अंदर यू विल गेट 2 more sizes. So this is the second size and this one is the third size. So I found it very useful. Firstly, while traveling we actually need clear pouches. इस तरह के transparent pouches are really helpful in checking out what we have kept inside for easy access. तो ये अलग अलग sizes है. You can carry the smaller one when you're traveling and the rest for just storage. Bought for rupees 649, but right now it is available at less than 500. I think rupees 495 पे Amazon available है. You can check it out. In this we can keep our makeup, toiletries, gels, fluids, and लीक भी हो जाता है गलती से ट्रैवलिंग के टाइम, तो कुछ भी कपड़े खराब होने के चांसेस नहीं है. दैट्स व्हाई आई लाइक दीज पाउचेस वेरी मच. दे आर वेरी हैंडी एंड दे लुक ऑल्सो वेरी नाइस. दिस पीचिश पिंकिश कलर, इट लुक्स वेरी नाइस. So in this you can easily organize and keep your say socks or handkerchiefs or say अपने husband के ties या उनके handkerchiefs, or also you can use this for keeping or storing lingerie or other delicates. या फिर you can keep medicines in these pouches. So there are 3 different sizes which are very useful. Okay, so the next item is another travel pouch. This one, so it looks very beautiful, very aesthetic in this floral designs. And इसका सबसे best part ये है कि it is a velcro one, so it is very easy to open and access. यहाँ पे भी एक plastic transparent pouch है for your gel and fluids, and you have zipper over here, और यहाँ पे you have the netted pouch over here, and another section is given यहाँ पे. Along with that you have a small zip also यहाँ पे where you can keep your say scissors, nail clippers, nail cutters and all that. So this also I found very handy, and मैंने ये actually buy किया था when I had plans of traveling by train. तो मैंने क्यों खरीदा था, because there is a hook given over here, like whether train or by flight you are traveling and you need to use these things, so it is very easy to hang it somewhere चलते हुए train में, and you know, in that movement, and then you can access your stuff. So I found it very useful. Hanging travel kit is like waterproof for rupees 380, so very very affordable. Next one is a tub. Actually it is a collapsible wash basin. Now I found it very very useful. इसको आप लेके ट्रैवल भी कर सकते हो. Why it is collapsible? It is made of silicone. It is made of silicone and it, a minute, so if you open it, like I'll show you, if you just press it अंदर से अगर इसको press करोगे तो it opens up like this. It turns into this tub. Now I use it for my pedicure and manicure at home, but it can also be used in the kitchen for washing fruits and vegetables, or you can use it to wash your linen. ये anti slip है, and I think the color is also quite pleasing. I bought it for a little over rupees 500, I think rupees 599, but then it's quite a good buy, I believe, at this price. और हाँ, this is very convenient to store also. It has a hanging hole over here, and I will show you how I am storing it in my bathroom. Okay, I am feeling so hot. I'll move this hair from my face. Okay, yeah, so this I was telling about this. So this tub, this one, when you just close it, like I'm just pressing it, it becomes pretty flat, and it's pretty thin also, so easily you can place it in your bag, duffel bag, or in your suitcase and carry it. So it is travel friendly. Most of the items that I buy, always I am buying travel friendly stuff, because that is mostly needed. Travel karte waqt we need convenient items. Okay, so moving on to the next item. ज्वेलरी ऑर्गेनाइजर, ये बहुत क्यूट लगा मुझे एंड इट आई फाउंड इट वेरी स्टर्डी, वेरी नाइस क्वालिटी ऑल्सो एंड यूजफुल ऑल्सो ऑफ कोर्स. अगेन मैंने ये ट्रैवल करने से पहले खरीदा हुआ था लास्ट ईयर. सो दिस वन इज, सी द जिप इज लाइक दिस एंड द कलर इज़ वेरी नाइस, पीच कलर, एंड इसके अंदर से ये ऐसा है. सो आई हैव केप्ट दीज थिंग्स ऑलरेडी, मतलब यहाँ पे कुछ चीज़ें मैंने रखी हुई हैं जो आई फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज़. सो यू कैन कीप योर पेंडेंट्स एंड नेकलेसेस ओवर हियर, ऑफ कोर्स द थिन वंस, नॉट द बिगर वंस. तो मैंने यहाँ पे ऐसे ऐसे यहाँ पे हुक्स है in which you can hang, and there is a stretchable pocket जहाँ पे आप ऐसे जो पतले वाले हैं छोटे, that you can put inside. तो ये मैंने डाल के रखा हुआ है अंदर. वन इज़ लाइक ऐसे वाले जो छोटे पेंडेंट्स है और नेकलेसेस है, दोज यू कैन कीप हियर, दोज यू कैन हैंग हियर, सो देर इज़ नो मेस एंड टैंगलिंग ऑफ द चेन्स. तो मैंने ऐसे ही रखे हुए हैं इसको. एंड यहाँ पे यू कैन कीप द रिंग्स, यू कैन फिट अप टू लाइक 8 rings over here, finger rings or toe rings or nose rings. And earrings तो the small loop kind of, the small hoops ऐसे वाले ऐसे ये fit हो जाएंगे. And then you have these 4 slots over here to keep the different set of earrings, not this one, like these. यहाँ पे मैंने 4 रखे हुए हैं ऑलरेडी, 4 earrings. And this one, this divider, this section is removable from here. 1 minute. Yeah, so this can be removed. So if you need to keep something big or just one thing over here, you can do that also. Even this section over here, this is also removable, and I think it can easily be cleaned also. So this is quite a useful thing. Compact, and it's aesthetic looking also, and it can also be a gift for someone, I think. So yeah, this is very nice. You can get it. I got it for rupees 378. So I think now it is available for rupees 330, even lesser. You can apply coupons, and also there is a 10% instant discount going on Amazon, so you can check it out. So next is again a set of 3 pouches. Now I have already started using them. This also I got last year. These 3 come together, and they are I took the purple one. You have many color choices. Even in the wash bag you have color choices, so if you want to buy and make it like for girl or boy or for different people, member of your family, you can do that. So these are handmade, the 2 of this, and I got this for this whole set I got for 379. You can keep makeup blenders in this or cotton balls over here. And this one I had used it for keeping eardrops or eye drops, whichever is needed for emergency during travel, because I have allergy, so I need to keep those things with me all the time. And this one, as you can see, because it is transparent, I have kept all of my eye makeup, liners and kajal over here. And actually this is quite spacious, so abhi nikala hua hai, but I fit in all of my eyeshadows also in this pouch. So yeah, so all the eyebrow pencil and everything goes in this pouch. You can use it for many purposes. The next one are these cable protectors. तो ये ना मैंने already use कर लिया है, because most of my cables, iPhone cables में there is a problem. Those of you who are using it already will know, यहाँ से ये bend हो जाता है and it starts cracking. The cover, this cover starts getting nicked and tears off. So that's why I bought this cable protectors. I bought a set of 3, and 3 packs में each pack had 4 protectors. So I have already used all of them. मेरे iPad के charging cable पे, iPad, then phone charger cable पे तो लगाया ही है, and also on the watch charger cable. I was also trying to put it on my earphone cable. Okay, and the next one is this. These are actually shoe covers. Okay, shoe covers. So this I bought क्योंकि travel करते वक्त हमेशा I had to look for different shoe covers, different carry bags, different packets, plastics and cloth bags to make them shoe covers. But this one I found really nice. It has shoe का photo on it, so no confusion. Plus it has this transparent place section over here from where you can easily see कि कौन सा shoe इसमें पैक किया हुआ है. You can use it for travel purpose, as well as if you have shortage of space in your house and you are storing your footwear in a place other than your shoe rack, then उसमें आप ये इन pouches में आप shoe डाल के अच्छे से रख सकते हो. It will not get dirty also, and you can easily see कि किस में कौन सा है, and you can pull it out when you need to use it. So this one this one was a pack of 8, which I got for rupees 265, and they are all of different colors. So फिलहाल मेरे पास ये एक ही है, बाकी सब में already shoes रखे हुए हैं. So and they are quite big. It will fit in any. Okay, the next and the last one are these wall hooks, self-sticking wall hooks. I bought a pack of 10 hooks for rupees 189, and I will tell you, these hooks have served me like anything. इतने यूजफुल है. आई विल शो यू वेयर ऑल आई हैव यूज्ड. एक्चुअली वेयर नॉट हैव आई यूज देम. मैंने इसको वॉशरूम में यूज़ किया है, किचन में यूज़ किया हुआ है, हर जगह में लिटरली कबर्ड्स पे यूज़ किया हुआ है टू store and hang stuff. So I think this is a very useful item for the house. Yeah, so you can also use it. It is multi-purpose, and I'm putting all these photos. Just check it out how and where I've used it. It says it can carry a weight up to 10 kilos. 10 kilo का तो कुछ था नहीं in which I would have hanged on them, but yes, I have hung heavy stainless steel ka pans on it, and it was completely fine. It did not fall. You just have to follow the proper instruction. आपको एक clean surface पे, smooth surface पे इसको stick करना है, जैसे कि tile पे अच्छे से stick होगा. It will not stick on painted walls so well. It will stick, but it will not have that much weight carrying capability on the walls, I think. Okay, so that's all for this video. Stay tuned for part 2 of this haul, जिसमें I will be having other items of home decorations and also some makeup items, yeah, makeup related products too, and all at very affordable prices. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do not forget to click on the thumbs up of this video, and also please do subscribe to my channel. जो लोग पहली बार आ रहे हैं मेरा वीडियो देख रहे हैं, please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Drop your comments. Let me know if you like this video. What other kinds of video would you like me to do? और इन सब में से कौन सा प्रोडक्ट आप खरीदोगे एंड कौन सा प्रोडक्ट आपको सबसे अच्छा लगा? I will be updating all the product links in the description box. You can check them out. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care, and very soon I'm coming up with the next part of this haul. So I'm very excited. I hope you're excited too. Bye bye.